Okay, YouTubers, here's the latest purchase I made. I bought a 14-inch electric chainsaw. It's basically powerful. It says it's 1 3/4 peak horsepower. I've seen some guys use it on YouTube, and they were cutting pretty small stuff. So I want to see if a 14-inch log can actually be cut. So I've got quite a fair amount of cut down trees here that I want to try and cut down. So I want to try and cut these up with the electric saw. So let's see if it can do it. The big test is going to be these. You can see I don't have a measurement offhand, but those are pretty thick. So we'll see if we can cut them down. I think it's oak, but it came down during Hurricane Sandy, so it's relatively green still. But I'm going to cut it up and see if I can split it today, and we'll see if I can actually make the electric saw do this work. We'll see what happens. It's got 1 3/4 horsepower. I cut one piece off already. It worked great. I'm just going to demonstrate on this piece, and then I'll do the bigger piece and see if it works. Okay. That worked great. Now let's try this one. This one's much bigger, so we'll see how this one goes. I don't know. The saw blade is actually not as wide as this piece. I think I'm going to have to save this one for the gasser. I don't know if I should do it. It's too big. So I'll try it. Let's see. Try the other side. Looks like this might make it. Closer. It's actually working. Well, I'll be. So there you have it. The little electric saw will cut that big around. Okay, folks, I gotta say I'm very impressed with the 14-inch 1 3/4 Harbor Freight electric saw. It basically cut up the pile, and this is what's left. My son and I already started splitting it, so we're gonna have a good load of wood split off of this, and all from an electric chainsaw. And it only draws 9 amps, so you know, this thing definitely worth its weight. It's light as could be. You don't get real tired because you're holding a big heavy saw, and it's definitely something that you should probably invest in if you're going to cut some wood in your yard. It's definitely worth it. I got it for $49 with a coupon. It was I bought the extended warranty on it for 27 months, they said. So if it breaks in the next 27 months, I've got the ability to return it. I have returned other things to Harbor Freight on the extended warranties. They would replace it, brand new machine, and give it back to you, take the old one. So I would highly recommend this one. It's a good one. It even cut through these big thick ones. These are definitely thicker than 14-inch, so I would highly recommend it. It's a great saw, so cuts it like crazy. Look at all the sawdust. I mean, it's pulling off some decent chunks. I mean, look at this. Now, my gas chainsaw, I'm going to probably make these into the briquettes now. I'll sweep it up and we'll put it into the briquette mixture, and those briquettes will burn a bit better, so that's pretty nice. Anyway, that's all for now.